What you're looking at right now is a mosquito that has exploded. This is most likely because the cover slip that was put onto the glass slide had a lot of pressure, which ended up squishing the mosquito and causing the various things inside of it to spill out.
Mosquitoes prefer warmer and more humid climates, which is why we find them so much in California, where it is warm and summer is just beginning. Although there are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes, they all have one thing in common, and that is they need water. This has to do with the first stage of the mosquito life cycle, which is the egg. All mosquito eggs require some form of water to hatch. After exposure to water, most eggs hatch within 1 to 3 days. Once eggs hatch, larvae emerge. These larvae are mostly referred to as wrigglers, as they can be seen wriggling their body in the water. We are looking at larvae right now. After 7 to 10 days as larvae, they reach the pupal stage. During the pupal stage, they spend most of their time at the surface of the water, taking in air. After 1 to 3 days in the pupal stage, an adult mosquito emerges. Mosquito breeding takes place a little bit after a day, once the adult emerges. If a mosquito female has mated once, she can lay eggs for the rest of her life. Adult male mosquitoes do not take blood meals, and they live about a week or two, surviving on the nectar of plants. Female mosquitoes can live over a month, and they're the ones humans generally dislike because they do feed on blood, which is a common vector for disease. Mosquitoes are very interesting because medically there have been no positive aspects found with them. They generally have negative impacts on humans due to diseases they carry. However, I recently read in a book that a mosquito or a group of mosquitoes has been genetically modified to carry a form of Wolbachia that makes it so the mosquito cannot carry malaria. And through competitive inhibition, this mosquito that can't carry malaria takes over the area or the niche of the mosquito that can carry malaria, thus helping humans lower the risk of catching malaria. I'm Luke Anderson. Please remember to subscribe and like the video and share it, because I am microbially yours.